Yes, hello, I'm Harvey Lubin, and I give Dr. Scharf permission to use this testimonial in his marketing and on the internet.
Very good.
I'm going to tell you a story of actually how I came to Dr. Scharf, and it's a true story. I have nothing to hide. First of all, right up front, I'll tell you, I love this guy. This guy is a super wonderful doctor. Now, this is a true story. My doctor is a guy, also, his first name is David. His name is David Diamond. Wonderful doctor. And I came to the point in the course of events when, yes, I'm a senior citizen and I needed an implant. Knowing nothing about it, absolutely nothing about it, I knew I needed it. It was beneficial for my mouth. I was recommended by my local dentist, Dr. Diamond, to a particular individual who was relatively very close to my home at that time, and so it was convenient to get there, maybe 5 minutes away. So initially, because I knew nothing about it, and it took, you're going to be spending a few dollars. I called up initially to find some basic information. And lo and behold, when I encountered whoever answered the phone, to be quite subtle and not to be harsh, I was taken aback by her. I'm talking about the girl on the phone of that particular dentist, implant dentist. She was very, very impersonal. I'm being quite mild. I asked her some basic questions. It seemed the only way I can give you this story is she didn't care if I was dead or alive. Here I'm ready to spend some money, type of thing, and I don't know what I'm getting involved in, being a layman at this point. And when she hung up the phone, and I hung up the phone, I was turned off. And I said to myself, I don't want to go to that office, okay? Just for the go. I know nothing about this physician, dentist. I know, and I had remembered at one time on TV seeing Dr. Scharf and his manner, showing off what the practice is all about and what type of work, how he does certain procedures. And this was maybe about a year ago, okay? And I didn't remember the exact name. I remembered it started with an S per se, and that he was in Babylon. And I started doing some detective work, okay? And in effect, I found the name. In fact, when I called up, I says, "You do implants, right?" I found the right place. And all I can tell you, to sum it up, to make a long story short, he's a lovely, lovely gentleman, one of the nicest guys you'll ever meet in your life, and he does wonderful, super work. And I'm very happy just coming here. It's not like really going to the dentist. It's going to like a friend of yours.
Oh, that's nice.
And I say that very candidly. So I'm very happy with the whole situation. And if I need another implant, I'll be right here, even if I have to go. And by the way, I've moved so that now I'm further south, and I'm going to go out of my way. I wouldn't go to anybody else. Tell you quite frankly, I'll come here, even though it's a few miles out of the way.
Right.
I'm not going to go to somebody locally. I'm going to go here because I wouldn't. I'm very, very happy to say, and that's an understatement. Okay. So I'm very, 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 very satisfied. Anybody would be that came in my place. I guarantee you.
Thank you. And show us that gorgeous smile, Harvey.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Harvey.
My pleasure.